I'm Jackie.
And I'm Ashley. Welcome to The Witching Hour.
The Witching Hour is a little extension of Dumb Witch Club where we give you a witchy quickie.
What that is we take a big topic, break it down into bite-sized pieces, and we have a little sip of something to drink. And today...
I don't even want to talk about this anymore. We have it started out as a controversial pick, okay? And I'll tell you why. And then it's just gotten worse over the last 10 minutes.
I don't even want to talk about this anymore.
So I saw this in my local neighborhood Trader Joe's, okay? Well known for amazing wine selection.
Yes.
So this says dry Riesling.
Yeah.
So I see this, I'm literally in the store, and I'm like, bullshit. I'm like,
Right.
no.
Right.
I don't believe this, because Rieslings are not really dry.
No, they're not. They're
Traditionally.
sweeter.
They are usually sweet.
Mm-hmm.
But I was like, whatever, I'm going to try it. So this is Emma Reichhardt, and it says on here, dry Riesling. It has the little scale, dry, medium, sweet, sweet. It says dry.
All the way dry.
All the way circled. So...
Okay.
we're going to try it, and we're going to see what we think. Okay, so what's gotten more annoying and controversial about this is that I have recently learned, as in 2 minutes ago, from our producer, who happens to be a very close person to me, that this wine is imported from Germany. And there's a lot of German words associated with that. And I don't know how to say them.
No.
Cheers. Oh, let me smell it first.
Yeah, I smell sweet.
Smells a little sweet.
Yeah.
It's pretty sweet.
I don't know how to feel about
But
this.
it's not as sweet as other Rieslings that I've had.
It's not, but it's weird because it feels like it should be, but then it's not, but it should be. Does that make sense?
Yeah, like I want it to be sweeter.
Like it's wrong. Yes, like you want it to be, even though you don't like that.
No.
This is not supposed to taste like this.
Okay, but I actually think it tastes pretty good. I like it. If I can pretend, like, if you gave that to me and you didn't tell me that it was a Riesling from the how do you say it? Nache Valley in Deutschland, okay, then maybe I would like it better.
I'm so done. I can't. Okay, I need to wipe all of this from my brain. I can't.
I know, now I feel biased, but you know what? I actually like it.
Okay, let me just, erase. I don't know, man.
You don't like it.
I don't know.
It has a very odd flavor.
It does.
It's like competing with itself. It's like
100%
sour and sweet, and it's trying to be dry at the end, but it stays in your cheeks.
Flabby.
Oh no, that's a bad word for wine.
It's the staying in your cheeks thing. That's what I mean. It's like
yeah. Okay.
It's a technical
Well, I don't know. And this is really not a dig on them at all. It's probably a good example. And in fact, we have another example next week we're doing of another dry Riesling.
Great.
By coincidence.
Yeah, we'll see how they compare. It's not a knock on them. Just because I don't understand anything about wine doesn't mean, that doesn't mean anything.
I actually like this. I just don't want to think... I need it in a paper bag next time.
I'm glad that you like it. I'm glad you like it, and I don't. That's, it should be that way sometimes.
I don't like that.
It doesn't mean I won't drink it.
Okay. That's a relief.
It never means that. I will always drink
What are we supposed to be talking about in this witching hour?
Well, jeez, this is all crazy. We are talking about the signs as work personalities.
Okay, yes, this is actually amazing.
Yeah, so this is based on kind of the social media thing that you've been seeing floating around about, somebody at work is the personality hire, and somebody is the anxious overachiever, or work personality. So there's personality hire, anxious overachiever, and then the one who just doesn't give a fuck. I'm doing my own thing and don't care. So we sorted the signs into these categories.
Yeah, they're not equally distributed. But I think I don't know. I can't remember now what was the easiest. But I think the personality hires are pretty easy.
Oh, yeah.
We got your Capricorn.
Yes, for sure.
Just glowing, shining superstar all the time. Walking around, bouncing around.
Oh, yeah.
Meet and greeting everybody, touching everybody on the shoulder.
Yep.
Amazing, right?
Yeah, totally.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Then we got your Gemini personality hire.
Yeah.
who's really just out there with all the personality.
Oh yeah, can adapt to any single person in that workplace. Every single person in that workplace will think that they're best friends with that person.
100%. That's exactly what I was going to say.
Yep.
You also have the Taurus personality hire.
Totally.
Which I feel like it's a little bit of a dark horse. Not because Tauruses can't be like out there and like having a fun, you know, up front. But it's kind of like they're the fun, kind of cool that everyone's like, yeah, that's cool. Like, I want to be that guy's friend.
Yeah. Cool
and he's like,
capable.
okay.
Totally.
But also capable.
Yeah, capable, confident. Yeah, because
Definitely.
I feel like personality hires, sometimes it gets like the reputation that they don't know how to do the job, but that's not what we went with. It's more just like the personality shines.
It's like bringing the personality to the job.
Exactly.
So, okay. I think the anxious overachiever category, I mean, the really obvious first one to go in that is Virgo.
Yeah.
We know. Sorry, Virgos.
I know, sorry. They're like, yeah, we are.
I know.
I know, it's okay.
They would be also really stressed out if they weren't on here in that category.
They would, because they would feel like they're not being seen.
Exactly.
Yeah, totally.
They'd be like, can't everyone see how anxiously overachieving I am?
Exactly.
Yeah.
They want to be recognized.
We
for
see
that.
you, girls. We see you.
We see you. Obviously, Pisces, they're just so
distraught over everything.
They're just crying in the bathroom. Like, are they mad at me? They're not. They're not mad at you.
They don't even know who you
They
are.
don't even know. They don't even know. They're going to cry more.
Same category, we have Libras.
Yeah.
Just trying to get it right.
Trying
and trying. And like moving a pebble here and moving a pebble there.
And adapting. And okay, I'll do it that way. Oh,
is everybody happy
with
with
this?
this?
Okay.
Is everybody good?
We're going to just... Yeah. And lastly.
Last in this category, we have Cancer. Who is handing Pisces tissues in the bathroom and dabbing their own eyes without letting the Pisces know that they're crying too.
Yes, crying too. So upset. So angry and upset.
Yeah.
And angry and upset.
Yeah. Just wants to do a good job.
Yeah, just wants to do a good job. But everyone's always so mean to them.
But somehow I feel like, okay, all the other signs are in the last category. How did this happen?
I don't know, because, some of them could be moved maybe into personality hire, but I don't know. I feel like this fits.
Because we have the don't give a fuck category.
Yeah.
Leo.
Yeah.
Obviously. Aries. Obviously. Aquarius. Obviously. Scorpio. Obviously. Sagittarius. Yeah, obviously.
Yeah, obviously. And again, like, could maybe go, but I feel like these fit. I just feel like it fits.
And if you've ever worked anywhere, you know that about roughly half the people there don't give a fuck. So
yeah, exactly.
This is accurate.
It totally fits. And you should just try to channel more of that energy, because guess what? You really don't need to give a fuck. You really need to give less, because they will just replace you anyway. So just keep that in mind.
Cheers.
Cheers.